This 2021 Forest River Impression 240RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, microwave, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, oven, TV antenna, slide-out, smoke detector, skylight, LP detector, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Impression 240RE is 8,243 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.